Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install thermal monitoring for EV charger cooling performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. Ensure you have a thermal monitoring system compatible with your EV charger. Locate the installation site for the thermal monitoring system near the EV charger. Make sure the area is clean and free of debris. Turn off the power supply to the EV charger before starting the installation. Carefully read through the thermal monitoring system's instruction manual. Identify the components included in the thermal monitoring kit. Install any required mounting brackets onto the designated area. Use screws and anchors as needed to secure the brackets in place. Next, connect the thermal sensors to the monitoring unit. Follow the wiring diagram provided in the installation manual. Ensure all connections are secure and properly insulated. Position the thermal sensors around the EV charger unit. Be mindful of areas that are prone to overheating. Affix sensors using adhesive or clamps, as recommended. Run wires from the sensors to the monitoring unit. Keep wires organized and avoid loose connections. Connect the monitoring unit to a power source. Make sure the unit is rated for the electrical load it will encounter. Once connected, turn the power supply back on. Check to see if the monitoring unit powers up correctly. Follow any calibration instructions provided for the monitoring system. Install the software or app required for monitoring, if applicable. Create an account or log in to the monitoring platform. Input any required settings to customize your thermal monitoring. Test the system to ensure it accurately monitors temperature. Monitor the system closely during the initial charging sessions. Evaluate the data collected for any irregularities in cooling performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.